Good evening and welcome to your monthly speaking test. Today you will talk about staying at a haunted hotels. Please listen carefully and answer in full sentences. There are no right or wrong answer. Just share your opinion and imaginations. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's begin. Would you like to spend one night at a haunted hotel?
Yes, I would like to spend one night at a haunted hotel.
Why would you like to stay there?
I want to stay there because it sounds exciting.
Who would you go with?
I would go with my best friend.
How would you feel before entering the hotel?
I would feel excited and happy.
What would you do inside the hotel?
I would explore the room and hallway.
Would you sleep well in the hotel?
Yes, I would, I think, sleep well.
What would you do if you heard a strange noise?
If I hear a strange noise, I would try to find out what it was.
Would you take photo inside the hotel?
Yes, I would take many photos.
What would you tell your friend after you visit?
I would tell my friend that it was an interesting experience.
Would you like to stay there again? Why or why not?
Yes, I would like to stay there again because it would be fun.
Great job. You did very well today. Thank you for sharing your idea and opinions. This is the end of your monthly speaking test. Keep practicing your English and speaking confidently every day.